Okay. And here we have the pink collar. That is Sage. She's adopted. The red collar is Nala. She's adopted. Albany. Oh, I was just going to get you. Let's see. Albany's with the gray collar. And she's waiting for a family to adopt her. And Olympia right there, the cream. She's waiting for a family to adopt her. Look at him. Look at that cute face. Man. Look over here. Let's see. Look at that face. Hey, Sage. Sage, look over here. Nope. Look. Olympia's already eating dry food. That's great. Most of them are gathered over there by the wet food. Well, not much action here. Not this time.